Hi guys, it's me, and now we will continue the question and answer portion from the earlier. I'm really sorry about my sleepy face. I think I am just sleepy. But let's be cozy now, not just be lazy. Okay, please bear with me. Okay, here's what I have to improve. I have to improve my hand gesture, I have to improve my articulation, and I have to improve the pronunciation of the words. Okay, even if I talk too slow, or even if my mind and my mouth is not connecting fast, that's normal. I'm still practicing. Okay, so let me just have a question and answer portion. Let's continue what we have left earlier. And yeah, I should avoid using fillers. And yeah, let's just talk normally. The pronunciation. Okay, let me remind myself about that. First question, part 2. When was the last time you felt empowered? The last time that I felt empowered was 2 days ago when I started this DOP challenge. I felt so happy that I go out from another comfort zone. I don't like videoing myself. I don't like talking in front of camera. I'd rather video anyone or things, but not me. But this is a new challenge for me. It's a new journey. It's very new, but so far so good. I thought I'm gonna get shy, but I'm currently exposing myself, and I feel like I'm loving it. I can clearly observe my lapses, but that's the good thing about challenge. You will know your improvement. So next question, what do you need to tell yourself today? Just don't stick to your motivation, girl. You also have to be disciplined and know the reason why you're doing it, and don't let your flesh won. Okay, it's mind over matter. And yeah, I'm proud of you, girl. What will you never give up on? I never give up on love and people. It's like I don't want to romanticize tolerating red flags or bad behaviors, but I still hope I always have hope with people, even though I deny it or it takes too long, even though I say that people don't change or the fate changes for regression. But if I say I don't believe in people, I'm also saying that I don't believe in the miracles of God. So it's up to the Lord. At the end of the day, it's up to the Lord. He can uncover every blinded, like every mask. He can heal anyone. Next, what is the best decision you've ever made? The best decision that I've ever made was it was the time when I stopped thinking about other people's judgment on me. That's the best decision that I've made, and it's fulfilling. It makes me humble, and it makes me want to pursue more the things that I love. Next, what was the best thing you did for yourself today? you can see earlier, I put I don't know if you have noticed, but I put makeup earlier. Right now, I look so haggard and lazy and sluggish, but earlier I put some makeup. So, that was the best thing that I did for myself today. Next, when was the last time you surprised yourself? The last time that I surprised myself, I don't know. I think the one when I went to Kidapawan alone. I think that's one of the memorable things that I did. Yeah, I think we're done. We will continue tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed my day 3 of EAP, and I hope you also try to learn with me. Let's not be trapped by our usual pattern in speaking. You can journey with me with this. First, we have to pronounce well, and then we might be able to change our accent. Thank you so much for listening.